This is the 2025 Canadian model ID.BUZZ. It has a drop-down trailer hitch, and if you look to the left of the trailer hitch, there's this blank area which is intended for installing a electrical socket to connect to a trailer with lights and potentially electric brakes. You can buy the part that goes into this blank space to actually give you the socket. I picked mine up at Vancouver Volkswagen. It was $50 Canadian, and installing it is actually very straightforward. You need a T25 Torx bit for these screws, and you just unscrew the 4 screws that hold the blank in. When you remove the blank, rotate it 180 degrees and then pull it out. You'll see that there's a ridge on the blank that fits into a notch on the bracket, and if you don't rotate it around, you won't be able to remove the blank. With the blank removed, plug in the new trailer socket. Make sure that the cable that the plug is attached to is still running through the hole in the bracket, and then insert the coupled socket and cable back into the bracket, and again align the ridge on the new trailer socket with the cutout in the bracket so that it'll slide in. When you install it, you have to install it so that the flap covering the electrical connectors folds down to open. This seems a bit contrary to me. I would have expected it to flip up, but if you try to install it that way, the screw holes don't line up. So install it with the flap opening to the down position, and then simply screw in the 4 screws with your Torx T25 bit, and you're done. And now you have a fully wired trailer socket that you can use to tow any trailer with a 7-pin electrical connection. And you can also get adapters that allow you to plug in trailers with 4 or 5-pin connections to this 7-pin socket.